Have you ever wanted to use zipper tape to create a fun and unique shirt? Well, today I'm going to show you how you can. Hi, I'm Christina and I love to digitally apparel pattern, and I love creating my own pieces of unique wearable art. I even love zippers to add details to everything. So today I'm going to show you how I made this zipper for this shirt that you can see how I made right up here. So definitely check that out and let's pull out our supplies and get started.
First thing we're going to do is gather our supplies, which include the zipper tape, the zippers, the zipper stops, the lighter, the measuring tape, the fork, pliers, not pictured here, and the scissors. Next, we're going to measure out how long of a zipper we want. For the shirt that I did, I went for a very long zipper because it is going from sleeve hem to sleeve hem. So I'm about 40 some inches, I believe. Then we're just going to cut them apart. I do sometimes find that you want to just quickly run a lighter over it so it doesn't fray, but it is not necessary because we'll be also doing that later. Next, we're going to put the zipper head onto the fork. This will stabilize that zipper head while you're feeding on the teeth. Next, I always pull my teeth apart a little bit and then feed it on to the zipper. It does take a little bit of practice to really get it on, and once you kind of get it started, I find it helps to then pull the zipper and teeth off of the fork, and you can finish working it on while pulling that zipper up. Now make sure you pull it up. Don't pull it down to test it right away, or else you're gonna zip off your zipper head, which then you have to refeed it. So make sure you don't zip it off right away. I've done that once. Got a little too excited for that zipper to be on there. But next we're going to add that zipper stop at the base of it. So I always go up just a little bit so then I can cut it off and clean and give it a nice clean edge. But I'm just going to push that through. And then you will be needing to bend the prongs on the other end. I got a little bit of a fraying going there, so I quickly just burnt the edges so I didn't have a massive fray pull and mess up what I was doing. So the next, we're going to bend those prongs down so that zipper stock poked through at the edge of my zipper, and now I'm just bending those prongs around the zipper so that the zipper stop never pulls out. And then finally, I'm going to cut off nice and straight so I have a nice, pretty, clean edge right at the edge, and I'm going to burn it again so it never frays. And then I give my zipper a few tests, and I'm happy, so it's time to move to the other side. On the other side, I'm just going to do all the exact steps, put the zipper on the fork, feed the zipper teeth through, and then put the zipper up to the top. Then to release all of my zipper, I'm going to zip it up and down so that it is fully released. And there it is. There's the zipper.
And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use zipper tape. I love using zippers in my designs. If you're interested in building this fun shirt, definitely make sure to check the link below. You can buy the pattern on my Etsy shop, or you can go and look and see how I patterned it and pattern it for yourself if you're interested. I will also link where you can find the zipper materials that you will need to create this shirt. It's always fun to have that extra zipper tape in your repertoire so that if you're ever looking for some unique detailing on a shirt, you can then create the exact zipper that you want. Make sure to like and subscribe so that you can check out some of my other fun videos, either sewing and creating the stuff or digitally apparel patterning. I love to pattern, and I hope you want to learn how to digitally apparel pattern. So I hope to see you in some of my other videos. Happy patterning!